The snake's venom will only kill if it gets into the bloodstream. So providing the fennec has no cut in its mouth, the poison in its meal will cause it no harm. Dogs in a cold climate have a rather different shape. Long ears will get frostbitten, so the Arctic fox has very short ones. Its fur is particularly long, with a dense underlayer that keeps it warm even in the worst Arctic weather. It's also white, good camouflage. In summer, it changes its coat to a thinner, darker one. Summer is breeding time, and this pair's cubs are already half grown. There's no shortage of food at this time of the year. In fact, there's a glut. Seabirds are nesting on the cliffs in thousands. The guillemots high up on their ledges are, for the most part, beyond the fox's reach. But the foxes know that the chicks can't stay perched up there forever. They have to fly down to the sea. But this is their first flight, and the sea is a long way away. Some don't get that far. Food for the cubs. And still they come. There's far more food now than the foxes and their cubs can eat. Indeed, there's sometimes even more than they can carry. But these good times won't last forever. So now the Arctic fox does what many dogs do. It buries the surplus. And in this cold climate, the meat will stay very fresh for months. Birds are not the only sea-going animals that come to land to breed and assemble in great numbers. Down on the southwestern shores